What's up everyone, this is Jin of Electric Night Rider Bataan YouTube channel, and today's video guys, we are going to review this electric scooter right beside me guys, and this is Ultron X2. So kung bago pa lang kayo sa channel ko, don't forget to like and share, comment down below guys, and subscribe to my channel, and of course ring the notification bell to notify for my future video content guys. So tara guys, samahan nyo ako sa pag-review nitong Ultron X2. Let's go! So before tayo mag-start guys, sa lahat ng mga gustong malaman or nagtatanong dyan kung saan pwedeng makabili ng Ultron unit or Ultron X2 guys. So follow nyo guys or kontakin nyo yung Ultron Philippines. Yun yung legit na page nila guys. Ultron Philippines Official. I-message nyo lang yung page na yon kung meron kayong mga inquiries about how to buy an electric kick scooter na Ultron, and pwede kayong magtanong ng mga specification ng mga unit nila and or models. So check nyo lang yung follow nyo lang yung page ng Ultron Philippines Official guys. So tara, samahan nyo na ako na mag-review nitong Ultron X2 natin. This is Ultron X2. This electric scooter has 1,200 watts each hub. This electric scooter has a total of 2,400 watts motor hub with 60 volts 21 Ah battery. Ultron X2 has a 10-inch tubeless tire. Ultron X2 already have a new single 60 amp controller that is located in the front side of your electric scooter. Ultron X2 already have a 2 adjustable suspension. One is located in the front of your unit, and the other suspension located at the back or in the rear side of your unit. Ultron X2 is adjustable oil coil hydraulic suspension, which gives you a comfortable ride while you are in the rough surfaces while you are traveling. Ultron X2 already have a key ignition in the left side of your electric scooter. Beside of your key ignition is the button switch of your loud horn. At the bottom front position of your Ultron X2 was installed its headlight with 300 lumen light that can provide you a good visibility at night. You also have double eagle eye underneath the deck of your Ultron X2, and also Ultron X2 has LED strip underneath its deck, which provide visibility in the dark. At the back side of Ultron X2, as you can see, doors have a 2 eagle eye red light, which provide visibility also while you are traveling at night. This Ultron X2 can travel as far as 60 km to 70 km range of distance depending on the terrain and the weight of the driver. Ultron X2 can go with the maximum speed of 70 to 80 kilometers per hour. Also, it depends on the terrain and the weight of the driver. This Ultron X2 weighing 28 kilograms and also can be loaded up to maximum 120 kilograms of load. When it comes to overall looks of this Ultron X2 is, as you can see, this unit or this electric kick scooter looks so macho, guys. Ultron X2 already built with 2 hydraulic brakes. One was installed in the front wheel of your unit and the other one was installed at the back wheel of your electric scooter. Having installed with hydraulic brakes in your electric scooter is one of the great safety mechanism for your EKS. So ayun guys, yung ating in-depth review of this electric kick scooter Ultron X2, which is napaka-astigin tingnan, and overall performance is 5/5. Yung looks niya guys is 5/5 para sa akin guys. So guys, kung may bala kayong mamili itong Ultron X2 guys, is contact nyo lang or i-follow nyo lang yung page ng Ultron Philippines Official and kontakin nyo lang sila guys doon. Napaka nila responsive sa mga message nyo kapag may message nyo sila, and pwede kayo magtanong ng mga specification ng mga units nila guys. So yun guys, hanggang sa muli, this is Jin of Electric Night Rider Bataan YouTube channel, and mga e-rider, always ride safely, wear your protective gear, and check your brake before departing, and always focus on the road guys while driving. So hanggang sa muli, this is Jin, peace out. So yun guys, ang marinig nyo is kahol ng aso. Hindi ako makapag-start. So guys, if you already have this Ultron X2, or if yun, tunog ng ano, ng butike. So guys, if you, ngayon naman, aso. Alright. Tandem sila.